organic. So nakikita po natin ngayon na tayo ay nagpapagwapo at nagpapaganda. So, ayan si Kuya Claudio. Claudio.
May shoot ako eh.
Wow, Kuya Claudio.
Ginawa ko sa Batang Quiapo.
Yung makeup artist.
Tapos lipstickan mo.
Yari kayo dyan.
Yung kay Stel, di ba nag-ano?
Si Mama Ariel, napakaganda, umaga. Yun.
So, bahay na siya ay shadow.
Hindi ko alam eh.
Di, anong team mo alam? Anong araw ngayon? Tingnan natin. Tingnan natin yung isa dito. Drummer. Kuya, wala bang pasok?
Wala. Holiday ngayon.
So, sabihin mo sa amin kung anong kulay ng t-shirt mo ngayon na.
It's dark. Medyo dark green.
Dark green? Anong specific na name na? Dark green talaga.
Oo, basta green.
Ano yan?
Kulay green.
Ayan nga. Ay, kinuskus agad oh. Customer service rate. Very good. Pagaling po na ating makeup artist.
Yung bago, yung isa. Sabi mo. Ano na maganda?
Next!
Tapos ka na? Lipstick.
Lo. Di alata yan.
O, ganun lang.
Wala kang ano?
Merong gel.
Mama, mag-gel ako.
Kakang ano, parang kinuha ka lang sa...
Nakagising ko lang.
Sino pa?
Kuya po, no? So, ayan po, no? Paakyat po tayo sa saan? Sabihin mo kung saan tayo aakyat.
Akit po tayo sa rooftop ngayon.
Right.
May dalawa lang po kami kulang.
Sino?
Wala po si Sir at si Tim. Napasok na lang siya sa gitna ng music video. Parang
So, madaling salita, late. Ito yung mga lakaran natin, mga parang pang NBA na naglalakad sa walkway. Oh.
Nandyan?
So, ganito pa sila kaingay. Kahit ganito kaaga. Kita niyo po yan, no? Sir, magandang umaga sa'yo. Ang ganda na ng araw sa likod mo. Wow! So, ayan po si Mama Annie. Siya ang in charge sa ating drone. Napakagaling. Direk! Direk! Dito ka, Direk! Yan o, si Direk.
Hello, good morning. Apo!
Si Mama Erin, lead natin. Yan, ating vokalista.
Ay, mali. Lyrics.
Mali lyrics, yun lang.
Medyo minus.
Natakbo na yung ating isa sa production team. Talagang kinakabahan na sila. Kumain ka na, boss?
Di pa nga eh.
Di pa?
Gutom na ako eh.
Nako, boss.
May meron lang part doon na maano
Ay, yung una. Kasi magaling talaga siya pag una.
Di ba kayo mag-close up? Ayun niya tumingin sa camera, nahiya po siya. Yung pogi, oh. So, time check, anong oras na, kapatid? Naku, hindi alam ng media team yung oras. So, ayan. Look up na si Ate Annie. Ang tinitignan niya sa taas, syempre hindi natin alam. Yan, ganda naman ang kinukunan na yan. So, aabangan talaga namin magbukas liway. Anong tawag sa Tagalog doon? Magbuka liwayway? Magbukas liwayway. So, sa kikita nyo, maangat na talaga siya eh. Ano? Puntahan natin yung mga members natin. Yan si Kuya Jeff, pinakapoging arada yan.
Sa bag ko.
Yan o, grabe. Opa! So ayan nga pa yung anak niya. Actually sa banda na to, dalawa yung anak niya nandito. Yung isa gitarista, yun si Stephen. Yan, napaka-pogi. Yan yung drummer, isa niyang anak. Ganda naman setup nito. Boss, masaya ka ba sa drum setup mo ngayon?
Yes.
Yes, okay daw. Maganda daw scenery. So ayan, no. Maglalagay na siya ng gamit niya, boss.
Hello po.
Si
Good morning, guys.
Yan si ano si
Brief lang kami saglit.
may briefing daw. Kita niyo yung ginagawa nila diyan. Kita yan, guys. So naka-recording po yan. So ayan, bumubukas na talaga. Actually pwede na mag-shoot ng ganitong itsura eh. Yung Kuya Meg sa ating sound engineer, napakalupit na.
Sound engineer si ano yun?
Hindi, producer yun eh. Producer yun.
Siya yun, siya yung nagbuo ng ano.
Si Jared, si Boy.
Soundtech lang kami ni Prince.
Baka ito na yung chance ko. Real. Ito na talaga. Sorry.
Ganda oh. Ang ganda na shot na yan oh.
Very, very nice. Yes. Can I grab that picture?
Pawis na ako, guys.
에요 핸들 돌려봄 달콤한 내 말투에 녹아봄 흔들어줘 내 맘을 맞춘 like so sweet I'm dripping 빙글빙글 돌아 don't stop Drop it drop it drop it Last pin 없어 넌 그냥 freestyle yeah 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 정답은 없어 단맛부터 crash까지 그 한 잔에 나 녹아내림 쉐이크하고 삼켜 내 맘은 teaser 나는 부드러워 달콤해 기분 따라 바뀌는 내 timeline Oops, are you in my mind 숨기려 해봐도 that's feel 에요 핸들 돌려봄 달콤한 내 말투에 녹아봄 흔들어줘 내 맘을 맞춘 like so sweet I'm dripping 빙글빙글 돌아 don't stop Drop it drop it drop it 너를 마시 위험해 다 알아도 중독돼 Yeah man like sugar rush 정신 못 차리게
Wala pa rin tatawag sa staff.
When the moon is bright, the dreams are on your side. When the stars are lit, they try to catch your eye. Is it destiny or just beginner's luck that I found you? Now the moonlight dances gently over you. I have never found the peace inside my mind. I got nothing here that keeps me in line. In a messed up world, it's hard to see the good in everyone. In a broken conversation, silence won. It's too late now, I got to be on my way for sure. Lesson learned, you make it hard to walk out of the door. Note to self, you don't need to be anywhere but here. And I finally find some peace in me. I gotta let you go for now. Isn't it true? The truth will finally come out. When you feel empty and afraid.
Guys, we are in Baguio right now. And galing kami sa SM kanina. And madami akong nabili doon. I'll be sharing with you guys. I got 2 Sony Angels and then 1 Smisky. Bubulong lang ako guys kasi yung kapitbahay namin here is tulog na yung iba. So first, we are going to open this Smisky. Ito yung kanilang cheer edition. Open natin. Wala pa akong cheer edition nila. Kaya lang, nagalangan ako yung ibang kumuha kasi baka madoble yung kinuha ko. But this one, I don't have yet the edition of Cheer. So, so this is the yung parang sa March, yung parang nagbabaton, yung may baton. Oh, ang cute niya, guys. And this is glow in the dark also. Ang next natin yung open naman is itong Sony Angels, yung animal series nila. I already have one. Actually, dalawa na bili ko sa Taiwan. But yun nga, yung isa binigay ko sa college best friend ko. So bumili na rin akong dalawa para may kasama yung isang Sony Angels ko. This one is the, oh my gosh, wait. This one is the rabbit. Ito yung nasa ano nila. This is the rabbit. How cute is that, guys? See, look. Next naman. Oh my gosh, this is Panda. So mine kasi, I have the owl. Yung owl yung sa akin. So, buti hindi mo same yung nakuha ko. So, I have rabbit and panda. Oh my gosh, you're so cute!
Every summer, every winter, or every season, I'll be missing her. No matter how much time goes by, my love for her will never die. Lately I've been wondering why goodbyes can be this sweet, yet we still cry. With all the wind goes, our mistakes, my love for her will never change. 베개로 귀를 막아도 들어오는 네 목소리가 내 머릿속에 맴돌아. 아무리 잊으려 해도 온종일 너만 기억해. 네가 좋아했던 노래, 우리 다투던 말들, 사랑했던 말들, 텅 빈 방에 echo in the walls. 네 빈자리를 채우려 해도 난 알지 다 의미 없는 거. 너랑 같이 했던 사랑 하나뿐인걸.
Mali kaming hotel. Nakatulog ako. So, alis ako na ulit. But, kanina kasi nakatulog kami.
Living what you felt like. I try but I can't get you out my mind. 난 사실대로 말해보냐 여전히 지금도. Every summer, every winter, or every season, I'll be missing her. No matter how much time goes by, my love for her will never die. Lately I've been wondering why goodbyes can be this sweet, yet we still cry. With all the wind goes, our mistakes, my love for her will never change. Our life like evergreen. Through it all, don't let the wind blow. Hear the wind let it. Our life like evergreen. Through it all, don't let the wind blow. Hear the wind. Every summer, every winter, every season, I'll be missing her. No matter how much time goes by, my love for her will never die. Every summer, every winter, every season, I'll be missing her. No matter how much time goes by, my love for her will never.
Today is our last day here in Baguio. Actually, ang bilis ng oras. Pauwi na kami agad. But anyways, today is time check at 6:41. Pero tarik na yung araw. Vitamin D pa naman siya. So, okay pa naman siya. I need sunlight then. And since we got here, parang lagi akong nag-wake up ng sobrang aga. Whenever I see sunrise and sunset, it's really a reminder the goodness of God in my life. And sunrise means for me another day, another morning. I want to share with you the word of God this morning. It says in Psalms 46 verse 10, "Be still and know that I am God. I will be exalted among the nations. I will be exalted in the earth." Recently kasi, I've been so busy about my life. I work, busy in the ministry, sobrang busy as in, tapos hanging out with friends, that I always forgot na kahit pala we are so busy in the ministry and all, but we don't spend time with the Creator, our Heavenly Father. Nonsense, you know what I mean? Recently, I thought that everything naman na ginagawa ko is for the Lord eh. Hindi pala ganun yun. We thought that everything we do, yes, we do everything for the Lord, but how was our quality time with the Lord? Parang a reminder always to me to really go back. Sabi nga, diba, be still. Sometimes, we force ourselves to like do the things that we want to do para lang maging busy yung minds natin. And ako ganun ako. Parang whenever kasi I get like idle, parang ang daming thoughts pumupunta sa mind ko. When we are quiet, diba, we keep on talking to God. We keep on praying to God, but we never listen to God. Diba? It is really a great reminder in our business. We should be able to just be still, you know, and meditate the goodness of God. Meditate His Word in our quietness with Him, with our stillness with Him. The great reminder na it's a new day, new opportunity for us. If we failed that day, for example, yesterday, we failed to talk to God. Every sunrise reminds me about a new day. Na it is a reminder na let's go back to our Creator. Never let busyness replace our time to God.
Kitchen
Kasi, pabahay ka. Ayun! Yung pala yung tama.
Tanda na kayo kapag yan.
Sandals. Dapat criminal ako ngayon. Ongoing tsaka stylish. Tsaka si Tita, kumakain niya sa sosyalan, pero kumakain din niya sa parisan.
Thank you. Oh, lalagyan ng kape. Plastic.
There's nothing wrong with that. Don't have to be an acrobat. I wouldn't mind it. Should I find it? All my life, up and down, it always comes back to you. Didn't ask for any favors. It seems too late. Love is strong, but some things you don't wanna pass on. Didn't ask for any favors. You don't know me the way that I know you. Tell me what you like. Please tell me what you like. There's nothing wrong with that. Trippy, yeah, we all lose track. I wouldn't mind it if I find it. There's nothing wrong with that. Don't have to be.
Discovery by Micaela de Pagua. Wait lang. You put this one here. Assure you go down. So, alright. And then a little bit where's the milk for the ano? Pasta. Milk. Milk. Powder milk. Like this. Oh. Yummy!
Please tell me what you like. There's nothing wrong with that. Trippy, yeah, we all lose track. I wouldn't mind it if I find it. There's nothing wrong with that. Don't have to be an acrobat. I wouldn't mind it. Should I find it? There's nothing wrong with that. Trippy, yeah, we all lose track. I wouldn't mind it if I find it. There's nothing wrong with that. Don't have to be an acrobat. I wouldn't mind it. Should I find it? So that's how it's gonna be. There'll be no more second chances. So that's how it's gonna be.
Hi guys! So, I'm home. Nagpakulay ako ng hair and nagpa-Brazilian treatment ako because kumakapal na ulit yung hair ko. We'll be leaving next week. So, wala na akong time para magpaayos ng hair. So, ngayong araw na to, nagpaayos na ako ng hair. Anyways, right now ay magpapack na tayo ng aking clothes. Yung mga gusto ko sa akong damit na gusto kong dalhin sa Canada. So, need ko na siyang ipack para hindi ko na siya gamitin while I'm here in the Philippines. So, ngayong week na lang to yung pinaka-last week namin. Then, next week is our flight na papuntang Canada. So, yun yung ganap natin. Ito yung gagamitin natin na luggage. So, ayan. So far guys, yun yung process ng ating pack. Hindi ko muna talaga siya inayos. But I have t-shirts, I have mga hoodies. I have workout clothes. Wala pa yung pambahay ko and yung pan-church ko. Kasi I don't know yet kung alin ang mga dadalhin ko for church. But so far, yan yung dadalhin ko. Kasi nung pumunta kami doon, sobrang init sa month na to. So I don't know if unti lang talaga yung dadalhin ko.
Thought that I would be a bit at peace by now. Yeah, you're lying in the shadows of my room. Oh, always heard your voice, I forget the sound now. You're awfully quiet while I cry out for you. Oh, I know you don't have much to say, yeah, that's clear now.